What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions, and in this video is a kind of swing trade update on my position with Tesla. As you guys know, I had 182 shares of Tesla. Yesterday, it was a really red day, right? Just as well as Friday was. When it came down to Tesla selling off as well as the overall market condition, I talked about why I felt comfortable swing trading Tesla. And one of the things that I wanted to talk about is yesterday's video did well in the sense of the feedback that I received from those that either saw or did not see value in Tesla. I felt like a lot of people, when it comes down to wanting to explore the option of swing trading, don't really understand maybe what to necessarily expect. Obviously, when it comes down to taking a position and holding something overnight, we like to call it, in a sense, a roller coaster. It doesn't always play out this way, but especially like I did, I got in before the confirmation, just like I explained in the first video when I took my first position size of 91 shares for Tesla. I got in way too early. I got in before the overall confirmation, but I explained this after the market closed, so no one else had to follow any of my trades. Tesla pulled back as the overall market conditions were not necessarily in favor of Tesla as well. And ultimately, due to the Model Y release and all these different factors that ended up leading to Tesla selling off maybe a little bit more than the average person desired, right? One thing that I've been doing very effectively, especially last week, as you guys saw, is simply day trading Tesla. I didn't day trade Tesla at all yesterday. I was much more involved, if you understand, like when it comes down to like the flipping wheels group and how we invest in cars. Our team absolutely killed it yesterday. I think they bought a total of like 3 or 4 cars. So we had a lot of fun with that. I just stepped away from my swing trade position and kind of let it play out. I knew that the day was red, but it was showing signs of like consolidation and potential recovery. And then today, as you guys could see, I did not make $4,500 on the day on Tesla. It's a swing trade. So just like yesterday when it showed that I was down like $2,800 on my swing trade, now it shows that I'm up $4,500. You guys might be asking, well, that doesn't necessarily make sense. I'd say about 1,000 to 1,250 is probably for my day trading this morning. I was day trading within the Learn Plan Profit live stream, so they got to see me trade Tesla as it began to show signs of an uptrend. I think I could honestly close the day at $2,000 profit day trading on top of whatever my swing trade is. So ultimately, I'm still down on my swing trade. I still feel comfortable holding Tesla. What I simply wanted to share is we got a lot of comments of people trying to tell me what to do or what I'm doing right or what I'm doing wrong with my swing trade. And I feel like, if you're part of any community, especially if you're surrounding yourself with people that are very opinionated, people are always just going to want to simply share just that, their opinion. And again, it's completely irrelevant because you should be the sole decision maker on what you choose to do. You should understand when it comes down to swing trading that it doesn't always necessarily have to play out exactly as planned, but as long as you feel comfortable and as long as it's within the means and as long as you're managing your risk and you still see value in that trade or investment, that you understand that, and that you can be open-minded and hear people out, but that you don't let these trolls try to tell you what it is that you should or should not do, because at the end of the day, again, when you're taking that position, you should be at a point where you're at least knowledgeable enough to ensure that you're taking advantage of an opportunity that makes sense. And again, when it comes down to swing trading, you're gonna have your red days, you're gonna have your green days, but ultimately, as long as you're investing in a quality trade, I think that's ultimately what's most important. So actually at one point within the Learn Plan Profit live stream, I was up a little bit over 5,100, but it pulled back a little bit and I just bought a little bit more of Tesla to day trade. For those that don't know exactly how many shares I'm buying about 200 to 250 shares. That's how much I'm day trading with. So pretty aggressive, but again, it's Tesla, and the margins are not huge. It's about like 1.5 to maybe 2% depending on how good of a deal I get. But with 1.5 to 2% with the position size that I'm taking, it's been very easy, especially how Tesla was trading during pre-market hours and how it pushed up at market open to hit those larger numbers and stuff like that. So just make sure that you're comfortable with whatever position size that it is that you are taking. Make sure that you understand the trade or investment that you're about to take. And again, just remember to ignore the noise. People's opinions are just that, it's irrelevant. As long as you feel comfortable and as long as you're surrounding yourself with a team that is there to support you, I think that's ultimately what's most important. So I wanted to end this video with reminding you guys that if you guys want to be able to watch me trade live, It's absolutely for free tomorrow only. So the Learn Plan Profit group is normally the only group that gets to watch me trade live every single morning. But tomorrow we're hosting our free live trading session. We do this once a month. So if you want to save your spot, this is simply so we can send you the private link. Is the first link in the description. That's it. All we're gonna ask you is for your name and your email. We're gonna send you a message with like the link at Market Open tomorrow. So be sure to set your reminders. I'll see you guys tomorrow at Market Open. I hope you guys end today on a green note. Let's focus on those quality trades. Let's make sure that we lock in those profits. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.